Okay, so here is a microphone kit from Nikabe with an arm for the table and also a microphone. Nikabe M-2, a boom arm with a shock mount with cover and pop filter included. This should be a great set for podcasting, gaming and streaming and so on. It's mainly the arm I'm after actually, but I will test the microphone too to see if it's better than my Shure Motive MV5 microphone. So I will unbox this, and you find links down below in the description text to read more about this microphone set and also where you can buy it and so on. So let's start with unboxing this. Quite compact packaging. Here you can see some instructions on how to mount it and what's in the box and so on. And also some specifications, as you can see there. Some specifications. And here you see what's in the box. A pop filter, for example, the microphone, the arm, and also a cable comes with it. So let's unbox this. Here we have a manual how to set it up and use it and so on. As you can see, also some cables are included. You can use this with a 3.5mm headphone jack too, so not only the normal microphone connector. You can also use it with a 3.5mm. That's good because that is what I will use with my phones. As you know, I'm a mobile YouTuber. I do my videos on my mobiles. And soon on the iPad Air 4, because I have just today ordered it. It will come sometime later this October. So that's the instructions. Here we have the pop filter. Here we have the pop filter arm. No, sorry, this is the pop filter, of course. This is a pop filter on the microphone if you want to use that. The pop filter arm. Nice. And here we have the microphone itself in the box. As you can see, Nikabe. It should be quite good actually, this microphone. If you read some reviews of it, it will be interesting to try. And here we have the microphone mounting kit, if you know what I mean. And here we have the table mounting of the microphone arm. Here we have the microphone cable. As you can see, 3.5mm. And here is some adapter to have 3.5mm to left and right. And here we have the table arm. Quite simple. I thought it should be a bit bigger actually. So we will see how I will mount this on the table. And that's what's in the box actually, as you can see. So that's about it. Now I will mount this, but that is another video maybe. So this unboxing is over now. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. Okay, bye.